So I got, come on.
This.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Victoria Blends, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a beauty supply store haul. Yes, it's a huge haul because I kind of like went to one supply store 2 or 3 times and I was just like collecting stuff and they were like out, and then I'd go back and then they have it, and then yeah. So anyways, if you are interested in seeing what I got from both my beauty supply stores, just continue watching. Okay, so the first store I'm going to start with only makes more sense because this is where I started my hair care journey at. And well, it initially started on YouTube, and YouTube was recommending me a certain product that TikTok, it was like blowing off on TikTok, and I tried it before, like their green tea keratin mist, but still I have yet to have it. I don't even know, I forgot if I actually bought it at the second beauty supply store. But anyways, I have 2 big bags of stuff, and I think let's start with this one. So I bought 2 wigs. So some duckbill clips, yeah, and also some got to be glued hairspray. I'm gonna put this stuff behind me. I'm sorry if my hair is like big and frizzy. It just is what it is. It's probably like the 5th day of me having curly hair, and I just have water and my leave-in curl treatment. So this is the style cap that I got for my hair because I heard that nylon wig caps aren't really good for your hair to breathe, and since I'm just like kind of just like playing with them, I'm not like wearing them really for anything long and serious, I just got the net ones instead in brown. And this is the tag to my wig. So they put it in an extra long box for me because I checked it out and kind of like tried it on. This is my receipt, but well, this is one of the receipts. I spent $102.77 with the wig, a cap, this pin tail comb, and I got this 8 by 1/4 size. I also got a wig brush, an extra one. I thought I got blue. Could have swore I got blue. Anyways. And then I got 2 nail glues. So I guess I'm going to be starting my acrylic nail journey. Right? Glue freeze spray. Deep moisture shampoo. Okay. So this lip gloss, I'm still holding it. 2 for $1. These nail glues. This deep moisture shampoo. Oh my gosh. And I'm trying to show you this, the Curlrific leave-in spray that I use. Alright, I don't know where it's at. I'll insert a picture, but this is just a leave-in spray and I really, really love it. So after I get out of the shower and I wash my hair with the Aphogee products, then I will mist my hair with that, and I really like it. So on to the next bag. We got this. I don't know, it was right there, so I don't know how I feel about it. But yeah. I didn't even show you the wig for the other one. Well, this is this wig, so I won't show you yet. And then I got this table clamp wig holder. And then I have a Pro Vitamin leave-in conditioner. I haven't used this one yet. And I also got these pins, but I think they're too small. They were out of the big ones. So yeah, I might have to need the big one. And for this one with the wig, I spent $103.98 because I got the wig. I got something for 59 cents. I want to know. Oh, a pink sharpener. Okay. And then I got this laying scarf for when you want to seal your wig edges. And I got those T-pins. So yeah, the mannequin holder, the edge laying scarf, the T-pins, the vitamin leave-in spray. Yes. And this was all $103.98. Can I put this on? Hold on. So here's the first one. I don't know, it's kind of shiny, you can't even see it. Honestly, don't even want to take it out because I wanted to do it for a video. I wanted to put my hair. Look how light. Yeah, it's super, super light. Look how light that is. I love it. Anyways, I wanted to do it for a video because the shirt that I got from Jennifer Lopez, her hair is ultra light in it. And yeah, I just want to put this on while I do unboxing of her products. I think that would be so cute. I'm going to show you with the shirt and then, yeah. We can do an unboxing of the shirt or an unbagging. Oh, perfectly. Oh, it says guess. That is so cute. What size is this? Yeah. It's a large to be so big. It's kind of big. Why did I get such a... Maybe they were out. It's really long. I like it though. It's so cute. Look how light her hair is. It just like matches that color so perfectly. I don't even want to take this hologram off. So cute. Oh, I don't want to hold her face. Okay, super cute. Okay, so on to Sally's Beauty. This bag already ripped when I was like coming out of the store. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I did buy it, you guys. I seen it right away. I went to Sally's twice because they didn't have. Oh my god, it's so coming out. Oh my gosh, okay. So, I went to Sally's first and got this brush. As you can tell, the very tip was cracked off in my other one. And this one is like a rubberized handle, it says. Super cute. It's called the Up Brush, Amped Up. Oh. This is the wig brush that I use, or comb. And the brush was, I didn't use my discount. The brush was $6.09. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is the reason why I went to Sally's, was because of this Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer spray. Working after shampoo. Oh, after shampooing. Okay. So I got like a big Aphogee haul. And the next product I got was, oh great, kind of opened and splattered right now. This Keratin and Green Tea Shampoo. This Keratin and Green Tea Mist. And then, how many? Okay, so I got all of these as balancing moisturizer conditioners because they were
out of the really big one, and
yeah, she told me like, oh, you know, if you buy $40 worth, you could get $10 off. And I was like, wow, okay, cool. So yeah, I don't have my receipt for that one. I had like a huge discount on it. So I wish I had my receipt. That is not cool because she gave me the discount and then she gave me my pro discount, so it was like way less than I should have paid. So it was about $30. And so I got, come on, this, all for like $25. And I'm super set with my hair products. So let me show you the other wig that I got. So the reason why I got this wig is because not this one. I already told you why I got this wig. The reason why I got this specific wig is because I got this sweater and I just got it because it was like the only hoodie that fit me, and it was just like I needed something really quick, really cheap, and just like I just wanted to grab it and go, and it looked pretty cool. And so I went into the beauty store and I seen this wig and I couldn't stop thinking about me in this wig wearing this hoodie, and it matches my hoodie like perfectly, like what's on my hoodie, and I love it. I'm gonna wash it. So I'm gonna wash out the moisturizing stuff and one of the conditioners, but I think it's super freaking dope. Anyways, this is my new wig, and then I got another one over here. And honestly, I'm gonna go online and go see if I could find another one right now, because I want to install this on myself because I got everything. I'm just missing like glue to, glue. Ooh! No, I did not. Oh my gosh, I'm just missing gel to like brush, hold, and freaking just glue back literally down my hair and get everything smooth so I can get the bald cap on. And then, to be honest, I don't even know if I'll use the net thing because like how am I gonna, and I gotta push it back. I don't know, we'll see. I don't want there to be like a big bump because the net one might have like a thick band. We don't know, you know, we hope not. So that was really nice that they put this in the box for me. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I really hope you try the Aphogee products if you have curly hair, if you have wavy hair, and you have dry hair, and if your hair is like mine. See, there's just like different, girl, I don't even know, like when they say 3A or 3B, 3C, whatever, I don't know what my hair type is, because literally like they get so like wound up and curly like this, but then look, they just like straighten out. So I'm just trying to have like all my hair get to a certain point, but all my life right here, this has just been such a tight curl, and then everything else probably because like we brush it, and I don't know what the cause of that is, because that's really common, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys try one of those shampoos, a conditioner, anything. If you can, get yourself some of this because this is really good. This is how I first tried it like years ago, maybe like 3 years ago, and I don't know why I never went back since. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss another episode. All right, thank you. Bye.